Oh, so this is pretty cool. This is like a train set, and these button here, give you some some reaction here. So you press this button and you get a reaction. So that's going in there. So that's pretty cool. So we're gonna press all the buttons and see. So there's a blue button, so I'm gonna press it, and you see what just happened right there? Yeah. Then there's a yellow button, so we're gonna press it, and we're gonna see that spins. That's the yellow button. And then there's a green button, so we press it, and with the green button, that's what happened. See? It's so cool, all the different buttons. So we're at green, we're now going to blue again, another button. Press that, and that's what happened. Door open, gentlemen, come outside. Yeah, this is cool. Yellow, what does yellow do? Oh, it spins that thing right there. And then another green. Okay. Oh, the guys are working. Construction. You'll see them. Do you see they're vibrating? They're working. Yeah. So now we're gonna do the blue button. That's the blue there. So I'm gonna press it really fast. Oh, that's the train. The blue makes the train go. Wow. That's amazing. So that's what the blue does. And then there's a black one. What's the black one? What does it do? The black one turn on, or oh no, it's like, oh, it actually controls the station. That's what the black one does. Thank you so much. You're cool. And then the yellow, what does the yellow do?
This.
Yeah, press it. Thank you. Wow. That's what the yellow does. McDonald's. Yellow does match McDonald's. Okay, so now we're gonna go over to the green. To the green, yeah, thank you. So the green controls the gas station. And the car is reversing back. This is amazing. It's cool. So this is how it looks, or actual big view. It's really big. And now look at this. And it's really nice. It's really, really nice. Look at the view. Very nice. I think it's really smart to have the button. I think it was green. Was it green? That controls the train. Yeah, right here was the blue one. You press it and you control the train. So this setup is amazing. Really amazing. It's really amazing. That's a good setup. So I'm going to tell you guys where I'm at, so you can come down here to support the store and buy things from this store. So I'll let you see the name of the store. It's Myers Dolls Toys. I just Myers Dolls Toys Hobbies. Yeah, it's really nice.